Learning anything new is scary. Pair that with perfectionism, even scarier. Now, let's pair that with a machine that costs as much as our electric bill, the idea of wasting supplies while we're learning a new thing. Hello, new fear unlocked. If that sounds like you, there's literally only one thing that we can do, and I'm gonna tell you what it is. Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm an Etsy shop owner, crafter, designer, mom. I help other crafters master the machine and ultimately make money. If that's something that you're interested in, be sure to drop a sub down below. Now let's get back to the main thing. So I mentioned earlier that I'm a bit of a perfectionist, to the point of crippling my creativity at times. So when I tell you that I understand what you're going through, believe me, I understand what you're going through. The only thing that you can do to get over your fear is to create. It's cliche, I know, I struggle with this daily. But the only way we can master this is building up our confidence. And I'm gonna show you a way that you can build up your confidence virtually free. I told you we're gonna start with something easy, and the easiest project that you can make is a decal. I created a free SVG. It's down in the description box below in the first comment pinned. I want you to grab that SVG, upload it into Cricut Design Space. After we cut this decal, we're going to apply it to our mirror, because every single morning when you guys get ready for the day, I want you to read it. This is going to be your daily affirmation thing, your daily mantra. I want you to understand that, yes, while this process might be scary, I'm in it with you. And we're gonna learn this. We're going to master this machine, and we're going to have fun.
So I mentioned that we have a free SVG. You'll want to go to svgbyam.com, go to freebies, and you'll see you are capable of amazing things. Now, once the design has been uploaded into Cricut Design Space and added to your canvas, we're going to want to select this SVG, and we don't want it too large, so I ended up going with 4 inches wide. You can, of course, scale up or down depending on your preference, but from there, we are going to want to hit Make It, and we're going to select On Matte. 12 inch by 12 inch is perfect for this project. So we hit Continue, and then we're going to hit Continue down here. Now, it will select the machine. If you have multiple machines selected or attached to your computer, you can use this drop-down menu to pick your machine. We're going to go with vinyl as our favorite. The pressure really depends on your blade and your machine. With one of my machines, I did a more pressure. For this one, since it is a newer machine with a newer blade, we're just going to go with the default. And we are going to load our material into our Cricut machine.
I really hope that that helped build your confidence just a little bit. I'm hoping that when you read that design on your mirror, that you see the project you completed. You did that. You did great. Every single day, we're gonna get just a little bit better. And I want you to truly understand that and believe that. If you found this video helpful, if you know someone who just purchased a Cricut and they're a little afraid, go ahead and send them this video. Let them know about the free SVG. I would love to see your guys' finished projects. I have links down below where I'm on social media. Join the Facebook group. I would love to see how you guys created the designs, what they look like, what kind of vinyl you used, and what other little elements you added to the design to make it uniquely yours. Until next time, my besties, I will see you